In 2014, Xiaomi stepped into the Indian market for the first time. The unconditional love we received here in the last 3 years has been overwhelming. Xiaomi believes that technology is not a luxury, but a necessity. With 23.5% of the market share, Xiaomi has emerged as the #1 smartphone brand in India. At Xiaomi, we have always been committed to the Make in India vision. Over 95% of our smartphones are manufactured here in India. In fact, the manufacturing plant in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh, has created employment for over 5,000 people, 90% of whom are women. The Mi Power Bank was an absolute hit across India. It exceeded expectations to become one of our most popular products and the highest selling power bank in the world. This positive response, along with the Make in India movement, inspired us to produce the new Mi Power Bank 2i at our first accessory unit in India, situated in Noida. Running in partnership with Hypad, this facility produces 7 power banks per minute, dedicatedly creating our next exciting product for India. Introducing Xiaomi's much-awaited Mi Power Bank 2i.
Xiaomi.